I posted a TikTok of a rainbow trout manicure that I did that I was really proud of, and it did surprisingly well. And I had more than a few of you in the comments asking for a tutorial, so I wanted to make that for you. This is the TikTok, by the way.
I need you to see these nails that I just did. I think they are my favorite of the season so far.
Yeah, my client asked for a rainbow trout, and I put my whole into it, just in case you didn't see it. Which I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't, because the internet is a large place. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make those nails.
So the backstory of these nails is that my client had added trout and fish photos to her nail inspo. She told me it was inspired by all the guys she'd been swiping on dating apps having their little fish photos, which I thought was hilarious. I only saw her inspo about 5 minutes before her appointment, and I was panicking. So somehow I came up with this recipe on the spot, and I'm still so proud of that. So I start by painting all the nails an army green color. Then I create a gradient on the middle and ring finger that mirror each other. You can use white or tan. I just personally think it looks cute with white and pink, so that's what I'm gonna do here. I use an airbrush from Opera, and I'm using the Airbrush pigment. You have to dilute it with their dilution solution and then mix it together using this cap. You can do this with an airbrush, pigment powder, or gel, but my preferred method is to use an airbrush. I recommend wearing a mask and gloves when airbrushing, and never airbrush with gel diluted with acetone, as that's a recipe for allergies and dermatitis. I'll airbrush with a bit of pink on top of the white just to make it look like the belly of the trout. If I plan to do hand-painted nail art on top of any of my airbrush art, I'll use a thin base coat to seal it in, just so that if I make any mistakes, I can easily wipe it away without taking off any of the airbrush art. Next, I'm using a magnet gel from Leaf Gel's Space Opera Faraway collection. This one has a purple to green shift, which I thought was perfect for the shimmer of the trout scales. When I'm using the magnet to move the glitter particles, I like to kind of remove the glitter off of the pink gradient using the magnet. But on the full color nails, I'll just try to make the glitter look like an even shift. Next, I apply dots to the nails. I'll do more of a gradient pattern on the gradient nails and an all over pattern on the full green nails. Once the dots are done, I like to use a thick top coat on these just to get rid of any texture that the dots might create on the nail.
So that's how I did a rainbow trout nail on a nail client. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below, let me know. I also have one other tutorial on my YouTube channel from a million years ago when I was a baby nail tech, which arguably I might still be, of doing an abalone shell nail. So I don't know what it is with me and marine life, but apparently I love turning it into nails. So if you have anything else you want to see, let me know. Love you so much. My name's Kate. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. I'm too old to be telling you to subscribe to my channel, but do it. Love you. Bye.